In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Telegram private channel. If you want to save a video from a private Telegram channel, the good news is that the easiest method is usually built right into the Telegram app itself. You do not need to use any third-party tools for this. Just open the official Telegram app on your device and go to the private channel where the video was shared. Once you're inside the channel, scroll until you find the specific video you want to download. Tap on the video to open it fully. This makes it easier to access the available options and confirms that you're working with the correct file. When the video is open, look for the download icon, which usually appears as a downward arrow. Tap that icon, then give it a moment to finish downloading. The time it takes will depend on the size of the video and your internet speed, so if it seems slow, that's completely normal. Once the download is complete, the video will be saved inside Telegram automatically, which means you can watch it again later from the app without needing to re-download it. If you want the video to appear in your phone's main media library instead of only inside Telegram, you can also save it directly to your device's gallery or Photos app. Start by opening the video in the private channel just like before. Then tap the share icon or the three-dot menu depending on the version of the app and the device you're using. On Android, select Save to Gallery. On iPhone, tap Save Video. This sends a copy of the video from Telegram to your phone's regular photo and video storage. After that, open your Photos app on iPhone or your Gallery app on Android and check that the video is there. If you don't see it immediately, give your device a few seconds to finish processing, especially if the file is large. It can also help to refresh the gallery or reopen the app. One quick tip is to make sure Telegram has permission to access your photos or media files, because without that permission, the save option may not work properly. Also, keep in mind that some channel content may have restrictions, so availability can vary depending on the media settings. And that's it. Those are the simplest ways to download a video from a Telegram private channel and save it either in Telegram or directly to your phone's gallery.